Ever wanted to effortlessly type in Hindi, Spanish, or even Greek right within your favorite apps? Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the power of Google Input tools to write in any language, anywhere. First, let's make sure you have Google Input tools installed. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Input Tools website. A quick search on Google should lead you right to it. If you are using Chrome, the easiest way is to install the Google Input Tools Chrome extension. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for Google Input Tools. Click on the extension with the Google logo, and then click Add to Chrome. Once installed, you'll see a small language icon appear in your Chrome toolbar, usually on the top right. This is your gateway to multilingual typing. If you're on Windows, you may have already installed input tools for different languages. You can access it through the Control Panel. Go to Control Panel and find Language or Region and Language. In this window, you can add different language keyboard layouts or input methods. Now, the fun part, in any text field, click the Google Input Tools extension icon in your Chrome toolbar, or, if you are using Windows, switch between the installed language input methods. A menu will pop up showing available languages. Select the language you want to type in. You can either use the on-screen keyboard that pops up, or if the selected method supports it, start typing phonetically in your native language, and Google Input Tools will automatically convert it to the target script. It's like magic. And that's it. Now you can communicate with anyone, anywhere, in their own language. Start exploring and experiment with different languages and input methods. Happy typing.